Hello and welcome to this video in which I'll show you how to use your web radio planning. In simple terms, it's an efficient way of organizing your broadcasts. To start, go to the Scheduling tab and click on Planning. The planning appears as a weekly calendar in which you can add your programs and playlists. You have two options. By clicking on the button on the right, you can directly drag and drop your programs and playlists and then configure them by right-clicking on your mouse and clicking on Edit. You can also click on Add a time slot. Once you've reached this tab, there are a number of configurable options. First of all, you need to choose the start date for broadcasting your content. I want my program to be broadcast today, so I'll leave today's date. Under Start, choose the time when you want your content to start airing. Under End, the time we want it to stop. Clicking on the magic wand will automatically set the end time of your program according to how long it is. You can then choose to play your content sequentially or randomly. Activate the Play at Fixed Time option if you want to ensure that your content starts at a fixed time and doesn't wait for the other content to finish. When Play at Fixed Time is enabled, you can select a maximum delay tolerance. We'll choose 0 to make sure our content is played at the set time. Repetition allows you to request that your program be played every day, every week, or every 2 weeks. We'll choose every day and define the date on which we want this repetition to stop. You can also enter the number of times you want your content to be repeated. Finally, let's move on to the incrustation option, which lets you add an item every X minutes within a slot. You can add a certain element, such as a track or a playlist. In this example, I'm going to ask for the jingle to be broadcast every 30 minutes within my program. We can see that our program has been added to the planning. Now go to the Daily Generation tab to regenerate your day so that the changes are taken into account. Now you know how to use the planning in your Radio Manager. For more tips and tutorials, go to our Help Center. See you soon on Radio King.